Good day to you all. Um, Today I'm going to do for you face mask, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you how I do my straight face mask, because I do mine with a extra pocket inside, so in case you can put um, alcohol or any sanitizing like stuff to give you extra protection. And so that's just what I'm going to be doing for you today. Now with this one I use three pieces of fabric. The bigger piece, which is 11 inches in length, and width is 8.5 inches in width. For the smaller piece, the measurement is 5.5 inches in width and 8 inches in length. Good. So I'll demonstrate to you how I'll make up this in order. Okay, so we're going to be putting our dust mask together. As I said before, we have three pieces: the bigger piece and the two smaller pieces. Now I would place them right here, equal distance apart here, and this one will go in the same place on the other side, equal distance apart. Now this part that I leave is for me to fold it when I finish pleating it and everything. I would fold it and stitch it half an inch. And also this here, I'll fold it here and stitch it here, and fold it here, stitch it there. You don't need to serge or anything, because all of these raw edges will be concealed inside, and so there's no need to serge the edges. Okay, so I'll go on to stitching now, and then I'll demonstrate to you how I press it and for you to have your face mask. So we stitched on our first piece here. This piece that we stitched on here is about half an inch. You want to give it enough space for you to fold it under. Well, it's now time to press. So we're going to press out all our seams, make them flat and nice. And once we have pressed it, then we're left with that. Now we're going to fold this seam. When you fold it, give it about an half an inch. Now time to press. We're going to be pressing out all our seams to make it flat and nice. Then you turn this one over onto the wrong side. When you press it, give it a 1/4 inch seam over, so the seam, it doesn't show at the end here. The same with the other side. Press here. Cool. Then now you want to turn this over. You want to turn this over and pleat. Fold about an half an inch pleat, like that. When you press that, then you fold another pleat. mostly there. Turn it over. Now you want to create that covering, that lap over. With that here, then you use this piece, this other flap, and create a covering, like a seal. You seal it. Good. So remember, now you put this pleat under the second pleat, not the first one. The first one left open. You just lap it over the second pleat. Cool. So that now will allow your face mask to extend, because if you had put it over the second one, then the first one, then the second one wouldn't be able to open. And when I'm finished with it, I'll put it on and let you see what I mean. You do the same thing to the other. You create another pleat. When you finish pleating, you want this to measure 3.5. 3.5. Cool? When you finish pleating, everything should measure 3.5. Now I'm going on to the stage where I close it up. Now you want to close these edges. What we'll do, we'll fold it like this and stitch on top here, and in this here we'll put elastic. Now the elastic now will go around your hairs. The extra that we leave is for us to fold it, because what we don't want too much bulk to be here. It's already pleated already, so we don't want to create any more bulk. That's why we cut the second one shorter. Now what we have here now, we have a little pocket. So in the pocket now you can put other pieces. So for instance, you want extra protection, you put a piece more fabric inside, and then when it's on your face you feel secure. I'm ready now to close up my face mask. I should point out to you that the length I cut, the smaller section is 7.5 or 7 inches. You want that is the length you would want. You don't want it to be too long either, that it reach all the way around to your ears. You just want it enough to cover your mouth and your nose here. So I'm going to be joining my elastic. My elastic that I cut is a 1/4 inch elastic, and this is 10 inch. It's not too short, not too long, and perfect for what I'm using it for. It's now time to close up our face mask. I've already stitched my elastic and close it, but I'm going to give it a stitch here, that when I'm turning it over, the pleat doesn't pull apart. We don't want the pleats to pull apart while we're doing it, you know. We don't want it to take long for us to do. I'll cut off a little of the head here, place my elastic inside, and then I'm going to turn it 2 times. Turn it. So that's one side already complete. The next side, do the same thing. Stitch down the pleats. That it doesn't give you any problem when you are. So we have stitched it, and now we have our homemade face mask. So you see the pleats can open like that, and they close like that. Also we have our pocket here. In this pocket now we can put stuff here. I'll demonstrate to you how I'll do that. I have my 70% alcohol here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting some of the purple on here. And this is quite wet and nice. Not too wet now. And then I'm just going to put it inside the pot here. So with this, see it come up here, but I have put that extra pieces. So this now will cover this. So we put it over there. Okay. It's inside there. I'll cover over, and then we have thing to see. Okay, so our face mask is finished, and this is how it looks when it is finished. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day.